official invite link 2026. Hook 0 to 20. If you're searching for the official Delta Executor Discord server, you're in the right place. And you need to be careful because fake Delta servers are everywhere right now, designed to steal your account or hit you with malware. In this video, I'm going to give you the real official invite link, show you exactly how to join step by step, and walk you through what's inside the server so you actually know how to use it. Part 1. What is the Delta Executor Discord? First, what is the Delta Executor Discord and why do you actually need it? Delta Executor, also called Delta X, is one of the most used free Roblox script executors in 2026, available on Android, iOS, PC, and Mac. The official Discord server is called Delta Dynamics. It's run directly by the Delta development team, not fans, not third parties, the actual developers. This matters because Delta Executor gets broken by Roblox updates constantly, sometimes weekly. When that happens, the fix gets posted in the Discord announcements channel first, before any website, before any YouTube video, before anywhere else. If you're not in the server, you're waiting longer than everyone else. The server currently has over 3.1 million members, with more than 150,000 online at any given time. It's massive, and it's completely free to join. Part 2, the official invite link, 1:30 to 2:15. Here is the official invite link, and I want to be very clear about this. Only use the link I'm showing you right now. Never use links from YouTube descriptions, from random channels, Reddit posts, or DMs from strangers. Fake Delta Dynamics servers exist specifically to steal Discord accounts and spread malware. They use names like Delta Community or Delta Exploits to look legitimate. The official link is discord.com/invite/deltax. That's DELTAX. All one word, no numbers, no extra characters. I'll put it in the description of this video, but always double check that the server name says Delta Dynamics when you click it. If it says anything else, leave immediately. Part 3. How to join step by step, 2:15 through 45. Now here's exactly how to join, step by step. Step 1. If you don't have Discord yet, go to discord.com and create a free account. It takes about 2 minutes. Verify your email before moving on. Some servers block unverified accounts from joining. Step 2. Open the invite link, discord.com/invite/deltax. You'll see the Delta Dynamics server preview showing the member count and server icon. Make sure the name says Delta Dynamics before you click anything. Step 3. Click Accept Invite. Discord might ask you to complete a quick verification. Just follow the prompts. This is normal for large servers to prevent bots. Step 4. Once inside, go to the rules channel first. Read them quickly. Breaking server rules, especially around sharing scripts or bypasses in the wrong channels, will get you kicked, and getting back in is not guaranteed on a server this size. Step 5. Check the announcements channel. This is where every new Delta version, every Roblox update fix, and every key system change gets posted. Bookmark it. It's the most important channel in the whole server. Part 4. What's inside the server? 3:45. Here's what you'll find inside Delta Dynamics and which channels actually matter. Announcements. This is where the team posts every new version release, maintenance notice, and Roblox update fix. Turn on notifications for this channel specifically. Support and tickets. If Delta isn't working for you, this is where you open a ticket. Response time fast because of the server size. Scripts. Members share working scripts here for popular games, including Blocks Fruits and others. This is one of the main reasons people join beyond the updates. General chat, 150,000 plus people online means this moves fast. Good for quick questions, but don't expect detailed answers here. Use the ticket system for real issues. Status channel, if you're ever wondering whether Delta is down or whether a Roblox update broke injection, check before doing anything else. It'll tell you if it's a known issue or something on your end. That's everything you need to join the official Delta Executor Discord in 2026. Official link is discord.com/invite/deltax. Delta Dynamics. Anything else is fake. The next video in this series covers how to actually download and install Delta Executor on iOS and Android, because the install process trips a lot of people up, especially on iOS. Link will be on screen when it's up. If this helped, subscribe. I'm covering all the common Delta Executor issues this week. Drop a comment if you ran into a different problem, and I'll cover it next.